अब घोड़ों की रेस में गधे भी दौड़ेंगे।
बहुत सारे घोड़ों के नाम मुझे पता है, फरीदुन फंसाओगे मुझे तुम आप।
ये दुनिया एक बस स्टॉप है और लड़की एक बस।
मैं पहली बस पे चढ़ गया।
हेरा फेरी।
दे आर लाइक द अमर अकबर एंथनी ऑफ कॉमेडी ट्रियो, यू नो।
हमें एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे में जाने के लिए मोटरसाइकिल की जरूरत होती है।
आई थिंक इट इज सलमान खान फार्म हाउस, क्योंकि एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे तक जाने के लिए नीड अ मोटरसाइकिल।
विच फिल्म ऑफ योर्स डिजर्व्स अ सीक्वल?
डिजर्व्स अ सीक्वल। इंटरेस्टिंग।
If your WhatsApp bio had to be a dialogue from any of your films, what would it be?
एनी ऑफ माय फिल्म, दिल दे दिया है, द क्राउड वेंट berserk एंड मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए।
A dinner date with Boman Irani's character from Houseful या नाना पाटेकर's उदय भाई?
उदय भाई फ्रॉम इट विल बी वेरी स्कैरी डिनर। खाना भी है और फटी पड़ी भी है, वो दोनों वहां पर। दिस इज माय फर्स्ट एंड ओनली इंटरव्यू फॉर हाउसफुल। Hi, this is Ritesh Deshmukh. You're watching Connect Cine with Faridun. Stay connected.
If you can describe Akshay Kumar in a hashtag.
Akshay Kumar and hashtag. Um, hashtag 5 a.m.
Which of your film sequels is closest to your heart? Masti Dhamal, Kya Kyun Cool Hai Hum?
धमाल।
Dhamal, okay.
क्योंकि मस्ती मस्ती और क्या तू मेरे बच्चे नहीं देख पाएंगे।
Okay. If you had to give a nickname to your character in Houseful 5, what would it be?
Nickname. I think
हाँ जी,
it will just be Jolly.
Jolly. Okay. If you can react to कुछ मैंने डायलॉग्स लिए हैं सर्टेन फिल्मों के, अगर आप उनको प्लीज रिएक्ट कर सकें. If you can react to this line from Welcome, अब घोड़ों की रेस में गधे भी दौड़ेंगे.
अब घोड़ों की रेस में गधे भी दौड़ेंगे। There are a lot of subtext in the current scenario, but अरे फरीदुन फंसाओगे मुझे तुम आप। अब घोड़, बहुत सारे घोड़ों के नाम मुझे पता है, बाकी मैं नहीं लूंगा।
रिएक्ट टू दिस अंदाज अपना अपना क्लासिक प्लीज. क्राइम मास्टर गोगो नाम है मेरा, आंखें निकाल के गोटियां खेलता हूं.
आई थिंक इट वाज अ कट लाइन। मुझे लगता है कि इट इज सच अ शक्ति कपूर लाइन कि
Yeah.
आंखें निकाल के गोटियां खेलता हूँ। वो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम मी? आई एम स्लाइटली कंफ्यूज्ड।
What first thought that comes to mind, because you are a film buff as well, since mentioned that you've watched all these films.
Yeah, oh, no, yeah. So if I have to react that way, then it's Shakti Kapoor in a long black and red cape with Dali kind of a mustache, and he was just epic. और उस sequence में जब when he does all that fight with Salman and Amir without touching each other, I think आंखें निकाल के गोटियां खेलता हूँ। हम लोगों ने इतना यूज किया है। मैं तो गोटियां खेलता था बचपन में, तो हमेशा से आंखें निकाल के गोटियां खेलता हूँ और सिर्फ आंखें निकाल।
ओके, दीवाना मस्ताना जेम, ये दुनिया एक बस स्टॉप है और लड़की एक बस.
मैं पहली बस पे चढ़ गया। तो
हेरा फेरी. उठा ले रे बाबा, मेरे को नहीं रे, इन दोनों को उठा ले.
उठा ले रे बाबा। आई it's such an iconic line, an
Yeah.
iconic sequence. The trio, मुझे लगता है कि they are like the अमर अकबर एंथनी ऑफ कॉमेडी ट्रियो, यू नो। एक फिल्म है, ये है।
हसीना मान जाएगी मोमेंट. हमें एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे में जाने के लिए मोटरसाइकिल की जरूरत होती है.
आई थिंक हमें एक कमरे से दूसरे what a line. You know the way
गोविंदा साहब,
Govinda Saab played that
नेक्स्ट लेवल.
Gulzari Lal. I don't know what character was that.
गुलजारी लाल अरुण. That
Uh,
chemistry with Aruna Irani ji.
oh my God. His chemistry with Arun Aaron and his chemistry with Sanju
संजय
is
संजय दत्त है.
just, it's just extraordinary. And the fact, see the writer ना, एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे में जाने के लिए हमें मोटरसाइकिल की जरूरत है। You know, it's just the way he says it. गुलजारी लाल जरा, what the fuck? ये ease है यार. That's what I'm talking about. ना, when you talk about uh, an actor of, and I had the good fortune of working with him in Do Not Disturb.
Yes, I saw that scene as well. I saw bathroom scene. I saw it today.
Oh, and it is the way he does it. Okay, you get to know that what kind of a actor he is and what kind of caliber he has, and when you perform in front of him, you realize यार ये सब चीजें सोची नहीं कि ये possibilities हो सकती है in a performance.
Yeah,
In
correct.
execution. किसका घर हो सकता है ऐसा? मुझे लगता है आई थिंक इट इज सलमान खान फार्म हाउस, जो कि एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे तक जाने के लिए you need a motorcycle.
Okay, one actor from the Houseful universe you'd love to direct.
Love to direct.
Mhm.
I'm already directing Abhishek now and Sanjay Dutt from Houseful 5 and Fardeen Khan. So I think I'm directing most of the Houseful cast in Radha Shivaji. But I think so many people. I would maybe Akshay Kumar.
That should be interesting. Excited for Shivaji, Raja Shivaji?
Yeah, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has been an inspiration for all of us, whoever is born in India and has known about him. So it's been a long-standing dream to make this film. Earlier, just to produce, but now that I'm directing, mm, it's it's immense responsibility. That you hope that what you're doing falls or lands correctly for the audience. So yeah, excitement is always there.
And you also having it in say, Tamil, Telugu, and other languages as well, which is going to be something else.
Yes, so primarily it's a Marathi Hindi film, and then we will surely have it in other languages because we feel the story of Raja Shivaji should, reach to more people, and hopefully we're able to make it in a way that um, it's more accessible.
Okay, which film of yours deserves a sequel?
Deserves a sequel. Ah, interesting. अपना सपना मनी बनी.
Ah, क्या बात है. Okay, that was that's a Subhash Ghai's production house.
Yeah, Subhaji's
Mukta's.
production
Hmm.
house, Apna Sapna Mani Mani, I feel deserves a sequel. But I don't know. I'll be a much older woman now.
If your WhatsApp bio had to be a dialogue from any of your films, what would it be?
Any of my film, oh my boy, it'll be from लय भारी. आपलं सगळंच लय भारी.
क्या बात है.
रात भारी उसं निकाल के चमायला आपलं सगळंच लय भारी.
Sajid Bhai had written that film.
Yes, yes, of course. It was his story.
Sajid Narewala.
Yes, I remember this film was first narrated to me by Raj Thackeray. And he's a dear friend. He narrated. It was a story by Sajid Narewala. They are wonderful friends. They were doing a film. They asked me, and we collaborated. And even Raj Thackeray, he's such a wonderful cinematic mind he has. You know, a wonderful orator, great leader, visionary. All those things are political and those are out there for people. But just when you sit with him personally, chat at a friendlier level, um, immense wisdom, immense knowledge, and he loves and breathes cinema. So just to analyze movies, just to understand, uh, he's a wonderful friend uh, and I enjoy spending time with him. So let me in my life happened thanks to Raj Thackeray.
All right. Ye ya wo. If you have to choose one from the two, playing a clueless lover in Masti, ya a chaotic royal in Houseful 5.
Masti Part 1?
Mm-hmm.
I think Clueless Lover.
What music, man?
Unbelievable.
What music?
अच्छा मैं आपको एक
What
चीज
music?
बताऊं. I'll tell you one thing. I was doing an unforgettable tour with
Yeah.
obviously Amit
Bachchan
ji
Saab,
and
Madhuri,
there was
Aishwarya.
Madhuri ma'am, Aishwarya. I call her Vahini now. So she was there, Abhishek, Preeti, and all of them were there. Vishal Shekhar's first tour. So we all were, my first tour, so it was all new and for us. And I remember there was a sequence in one of the shows where they said, we'll do romantic songs. And I realized that I didn't have any romantic song because I was mostly doing comedies. It was that early in my career. And so there was a song for Preeti Zinta, Bol Halke Halke, and there was, of course, wonderful songs of, um, with Abhishek and Aishwarya. They had wonderful romantic songs, so they were doing their duets, and everyone. And the show had to start with me because I was the junior most on the show, and I didn't have a song, so they said, "Okay, we'll just play Dil De Diya Hai," and I was so nervous.
What a song.
I remember
What a song.
London stage. My back was facing the people, and I was just waiting, and I had no clue. The moment the song start, ke Dil de diya hai, the crowd went berserk and मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए कि ये मतलब मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा था कि ये क्या था? जा तुम्हें देंगे आ! और एंड आई हैड टू टर्न एंड डांस एंड मुझ में जो एनर्जी आई लोगों से, मुझे लगा ये गाना, मतलब उस वक़्त मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं कैसे ये जल्दी खत्म करूँ, निकल जाऊँ कि अभिषेक ऐश्वर्या आकर ये स्टेज को फिर आग लगा दें। एंड दैट रिएक्शन जस्ट I got to feel the power of that music, that song
No,
by
no, that
Gaurav.
that music, and this song especially, I think over the period of time, especially all these talent hunt shows and everything, I think that the song became something else. Something else. Okay, dancing in a Govinda style comedy, yeah, pulling off a John Abraham style action scene.
Both of them are equally difficult, but what I would enjoy more is my attempt to do something like, I will never be close to what Govinda sir does, but that style of dancing comedy would be fun, fluid.
Okay, producing a Marathi art film, you're directing a Bollywood masala entertainer.
Ah, no, I would uh, language agnostic. I have always produced Marathi films, so I would like to produce an entertaining Marathi film. Um, uh, you know, I think the gaps between art and commerce need to be blurred. Especially in Marathi, we need to probably make films that can get people to the theaters, because no industry survives without commerce, and we need to really understand that. I mean, that's a longer conversation. What I feel should be the case, but yes, I think entertaining film that people will enjoy in the theaters is something I would like to produce for sure.
Do you agree with Amir's stand on more strength to theaters?
In terms of what? What do you mean
Yeah,
most?
what he says is that people know that a film is going to release on OTT in 8 weeks, 4 weeks, whatsoever, and that is free of cost. That has impacted the theaters in a way.
No, I think it's a different ecosystem. I I understand where he's coming from, and I think he has a point, um, where movies need to sustain theatrically much longer than OTT. But you cannot deny the fact that there are OTT, and that ecosystem really also helps people um, recover finances. There are modes. Whenever you make a certain, for example, you have a coffee, any coffee, Starbucks or Tim Hortons or Chayos or whatever. Now the thing is, if you want to increase your business, you're waiting for people to come to Starbucks and have. That's a different business model. Of course, you want to go enjoy the experience. But why do they go online? They say, आप ऑफिस में रहो, मैं Starbucks भेजता हूँ आपको. Because what is happening is the collections or sales need to improve, need to find various avenues to do it. And as cinema increases, I am being to find avenues to monetarily help producers to recover money. आज अगर हम लोग देखते हैं, साल में अगर 200 फ़िल्में बन रही है, इसमें 20 मैक्सिमम 20 चल रही है या 10 ही चल रही है। तो मतलब आपका सक्सेस रेशियो हार्डली 10%, मतलब बम्पर। यू आर एनीवेयर बिटवीन 7 to 8%, मतलब 93% फ़िल्म्स आर नॉट मेकिंग मनी।
And
OTT platforms are helping you recover, but every OTT platform is only interested in those 10 films that they want to buy. They're not that every film is going to get an OTT release. So you need more players. You need to figure out where it is. But I hope, for the sake of the industry, for the sake of options, that Sitare Zameen Par really works as a film and opens new avenues, because people like him are the ones who are risk takers and trendsetters, and we need to really, you know, more power to him, more power to Amir for really taking those initiatives, and hope that it changes the trend that we see films sustaining at theaters much longer.
Great. Okay. A dinner date with Boman Irani's character from Houseful या नाना पाटेकर's उदय भाई, किसके साथ में डिनर डेट पे जाना चाहेंगे?
I think that Uday Bhai from it will be very scary dinner. मतलब वो जो ऑर्डर करेंगे मुझे खाना पड़ेगा. हाउसफुल में बटू पटेल को आई कैन से ये तो ऑर्डर करे ना, पापा पापा आज जो है तमें ऐसा कुछ करके मैं कर सकता हूँ. वो डिनर में मतलब खाना भी है और फटी पड़ी भी है, वो दोनों वहाँ पर. बट इट विल बी ग्रेट टू हैव अ टेबल फॉर 3.
Okay. 1 month detox in the Himalayas या 10 days of madness promoting a Houseful film?
I think 10 days of madness promoting Houseful is an absolute detox for me.
Fantastic.
And
Fantastic.
strangely, let me
मैं
tell
आपको
you, this is my first and only interview for Houseful. Not for Houseful.
Thank you.
but-
Thank you very much.